We actually developed the first Green Earth line, I believe back in like 1992. And the idea was to put together a line of products where the products were more natural, the package was natural, and we introduced Green Earth. The evolution of Green Earth and our philosophy toward developing products that are green probably led us to our purchase of Envirozyme approximately 9 years ago. We bought that business because it was a new technology that uses bacteria rather than harsh chemicals for cleaning. We've created specific cleaning formulas that use specific organisms which are designed to be the very best for the application, whether it be breaking down grease, oils, fats, waste, paper. We've got the best bacteria for each of those applications. As Betco continues to grow, I really think that our Envirozyme acquisition could very possibly be the future of cleaning.